Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Shabana. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I can hear you. Can everyone turn on your screens, please? Okay, Zainab, Mustafa, yes. Khatija, Umaima, Umar, please turn on your screen. Mustafa? Mustafa,
Yes.
are you still in Aurangabad?
Yes.
Yes, are
I'm
you
staying
enjoying?
2 months here.
Oh my God, 2 months over here. Okay, that's very nice. And how is Aisha? Y'all are enjoying, Mustafa?
Yes.
Okay. In your nanny's place?
Yes.
That's great, Mustafa. Khatija, can you turn on your screen? And Umar, can you turn on your screen? Umaima, I want to see you, Umaima. Okay, so what subject do we have now? What are we going to do? I'm so sorry, I forgot actually. Mustafa, are
English.
you?
English.
Oh, do we have English? Okay, Umar, what do you think? Which teacher is going to take English? Which
Miss Ma'am.
Misbah ma'am. Misbah ma'am was a guest speaker. Any other guess?
Science now?
Science. No. We have science after this. Okay. At 11
Maths?
o'clock.
Ma'am,
Vidhi
I
ma'am
don't
is not
have
here.
toothpick and glue. So we are maths. My mom said
No,
they
no.
are ordering some.
It's all right. You have Atta with you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's enough. Okay, Mustafa. So
You said atta or maida?
anything will
At
do.
maida.
Anything will do. Okay, anything. But okay, okay, Khatija, which class is today? Is now Khatija Ali? Can you tell me?
Maths?
No, we don't have maths. We have English. Hey, last time you all performed really well. Do you know that in your skit? Before that, who was taking your English class? Ah, no reply. Ali? Okay, you tell me, Zainab. Who's going to take our English class today?
Teacher, drama teacher.
Ah, Ashwini ma'am. Okay, and who is this Joyland over here? Ah, I should put her in.
That's what I was gonna ask.
Yes,
English?
I think so. I'm going to put her in the waiting room. Should I put her in the waiting room?
But still we don't know.
Because we don't know, no, who is it? I think so. We should put her in the waiting room.
Smile, smile, laugh, laugh. Be
Who is this?
happy, be cheerful, yay. Come on, smile, smile. Everybody, I want to see beautiful smile on your face. Oh, I like Zainab smile. Khadija, Mustafa, Ali, come on, I need a smile. Smile, smile. Remember, I'm Joyland. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I like Shazia. Ooh, I like the smile on your face. Hello, I'm Joyland. And I would definitely want everybody to smile and be happy. Okay, tell me, which is your favorite story? Can anybody tell me which is your favorite story?
Ma'am,
Who is this? Quickly.
Oh no!
I think this is a sound of Yes, Shabana ma'am.
Really? Okay, now Curie, tell me, which is your favorite story? Tell me. Anybody? Your favorite story? Omar? Oh, okay. And anybody else? Your favorite story? Wow. I like Rapunzel, but you know what? Today I'm going to tell you a story. Okay, are we all ready for it? Yes? We all ready for it? Yes. I love stories as well. Okay. So here I go. Okay. Now there is this beautiful kingdom. It is so beautiful that the sun, it shines golden yellow. The mountains are beautiful. The clouds, they are like soft cotton. You want to just hold them on and tight and hug them. And there was so much of magic in there. There was so much of happiness in there. Right. It was a very beautiful place. It had lovely waterfalls. And how do the waterfalls go? And there was lovely rainbow out there. And it was so nice and peaceful. Do you know the trees out there had so many colors? And the flowers would bloom and bloom and bloom, like all the cuties having so many more colors. And the birds would sing. How do the birds chirp and sing? Can anybody do that for me, please? How do the birds chirp? How do they do that? How do they do it? Thank you, Mustafa. Anybody else would like to try? How do the birds chirp? Thank you, Mustafa. Okay. Yes, Khadija, Rennie, you want to go for it? Ali, how did the birds jump? Right? Okay, and in this beautiful, beautiful land, okay, what was there? There was a palace, a castle, a beautiful castle, okay? And it had lovely, lovely trees. It had a pond wherein there were ducks. It had so many lovely animals around it. Do you know it had a horse too? And we are going to talk about this castle and the story of who lives in a castle in a palace? Who lives in a palace?
Princess.
Queen, right. And today we're going to listen about a story about a king and a queen. Hello, everybody.
Can you turn on your screen? Her screen is turned on.
Hello.
Everybody
Yes.
pinch up Joyland screen, okay? Just pin up.
I can see.
Okay,
You can see? Okay.
Just spin
So
the
there
screen.
was a king. Okay. There was a king and there was a queen. And they were very, very happy because they had a beautiful kingdom. Could we just mute ourselves, please? They had this lovely kingdom all around them.
Ma'am, you're muted. Ma'am, you're muted.
Right. Shazia, is my screen clear? Can you see
Yeah.
it?
Yes, we can see you.
Okay. Now, what do you think we gave the name to the king? What name should we give the king? What name?
Henry.
Henry? Okay. Anybody else wants to give some other name? Anybody wants to give another name to the king? Okay, what about the queen? Do you want to give a name to the queen? The name to the queen? You know what? I was thinking, how about naming the queen Shazia? Is that all right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. And then the king is King Dawood. King Dawood was a strong king. He was very, very smart and very, very intelligent. He could fight with the enemy. He could run very fast. He could go on the horses also really fast. Could we mute Musfira Sayyid, please? And he could just run and he could ride the horse. He was a very, very strong king. He was very intelligent and he had a very beautiful queen for himself, and that was Shazia. Queen Shazia was very kind and very humble. She was always help the poor and needy. Both the king and the queen would look after their kingdom very, very well. In the morning, they used to go on a horse for a horse ride. And there were many times Queen Shazia would be first because she was a better rider than the king. And she would go first. Now, after that, they would see to their animals. They would help the poor, they would help the needy. One day, the king had to go away to some other kingdom for work. And the queen was left alone. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. The queen continued with her work every day. She made sure that all the people around in her kingdom were happy. They had food to eat and they had the clothes and their houses and everything. But there was one very evil person next to their kingdom. Ooh, ooh. It was nobody else but Mr. Darkfinger. He hated that Joyland was so happy. He hated that Joyland people would always laugh. He hated that Joyland people were happy and merry and they would be running around and always smiling. He didn't want that. He wanted everybody to be sad. So when the king went away, King Dawood, who is very strong, went away. What did Darkfingers do? Darkfingers came into Joyland and he spread the darkness all around. Ooh, he spread the darkness all around. What happened when he spread the darkness around? The sun which was shining golden, in color, stopped shining. And what happened then? The trees which were having such beautiful leaves, what did they do? They shed their leaves and they dried up. And the flowers which were blooming, they died. And you know what he did? The Queen Shazia was the happiest of all, right? And because of her happiness, the entire kingdom was happy. And that's the reason they had the name Joyland. So Darkfinger said, let me put a hex on the Queen Shazia so that she doesn't laugh anymore, she doesn't smile anymore, and because of that, the entire kingdom becomes Cryland. And he puts a hex on her. No, don't do that. Who are you? Since that time onwards, Queen Shazia stopped smiling. She stopped laughing, and all she did was just sit in one place. What happened? The birds stopped singing. The river stopped flowing. The trees, the sun, everything stopped. It was just nothing but dark and dark and dark and dark. It was darkness all around. Then after that, after a few days, King Dawood came back to his palace and seeing his queen sitting like this, he's asking, what happened, Queen? My queen, why are you sad? Queen did not answer. She did not reply. Again he asked, what happened, my queen? Why are you sad? You were always so cheerful and smiling. And what has happened to our kingdom when I went? What happened? Why are the children not playing? Why are the birds not singing and the flowers not blooming? What happened, my darling? Tell me. The queen would just sit over there, not smiling. It so happened that up to the in the entire story. Oh my dear king, when you were away, Darkfinger came and put a hex on all of us. And he put a special hex on the queen. Because of that, the queen has stopped smiling and our kingdom has destroyed. It is no more a joyland, my king. It has become a cryland, a sad land. Please do something, my king. Please do something. The king is thinking what to do. How can I save my kingdom and how can I save my queen? He is wondering, wondering. Then he asked the old wise woman, "Dear wise one, you know, what can I do? What is the solution to this hack? How can I get my kingdom back? And how can I get my queen back?" The old woman says, "Oh my king, I do have an idea. How can you do that? If the queen starts smiling, then everything will become normal. Everything will start blooming and singing and shining, and the queen will be like she was before." The king says, "Okay, so now I have to make her smile." And that's one of the reasons the king decides, he's walking up and down, he's walking up and down, he's walking up and down, and he decides, and he says, "What do I do now? To make my queen smile, I'll have to ask people who can make her laugh to come, people who can make her smile, come and perform in front of her." So he makes an announcement. "Hello, hello, hello, everybody around here, listen to me. The people in the band can come and perform over here in front of my queen and make her smile. I'll give you huge rewards." Listening to that, there were many people who came just to perform in front of the queen. And we will see who comes first.
Okay.
First, who comes? Do you know that? Who comes first to perform in front of the... Okay, the first person to come is a joker from a circus who does even juggling. Okay. Y'all can see the screen, right? Queen Shazia, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Shabana, we can see the screen, but we cannot hear anything.
Yes.
Actually, there is no
Voice?
sound to it.
Okay, then it's fine.
Juggling and making toys and balancing. The joker tries his best to make the queen smile and make the queen happy. He does many tricks. He tries to make a flower with balloons. He tries to make her laugh and smile, but nothing happens. Then comes gymnastic artists, and they perform in front of her. They try their level best to make the queen smile and laugh, right? But what happens? The queen is just watching them. The queen is just seeing them, right? And they do lovely things with ribbons and gymnastics, and this is all rhythmic gymnastics. They come from far away lands just to make the queen smile and remove the darkness from there. Oh, they do. Sadly, do you really think that trick would help? The trick would help? Whoever came and performed, do you think the queen would be happy? Do you think the queen smiled?
The king will perform,
Yes.
then the queen will be happy.
Who will perform?
King.
Mr. Raj?
King.
Okay, Shazia, this question is for you. Would you be happy if King Dawood performs for you?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Queen Shazia, she came to know about. Okay, now what Queen Shazia said was right. She was still sad and upset, and still the darkness was there. But it so happened that somebody told King about Golden Sparrow. And the king heard that in Golden Sparrow, there is a group of students, right? So the king was very, very impressed, and the king was very happy to know about it. Okay, and what happened over there is the king came to know that I know now some people, okay, in Golden Sparrow who will make my queen smile and laugh. And who are they? Who are they? Who are they? The cuties. The king was very, very happy. Right. The king came to know that the cutie are the smartest, the bravest. Umema, can you mute yourself, please? And the king came to know that the cuties are the smartest, the cutest, and the bravest of all. So he comes to Golden Sparrow and he requests their teacher. Who's your teacher? Shazia ma'am. He requests Shazia ma'am that if the cuties would perform in front of the queen will become happy. The queen will smile. And he requested that if the cuties would tell a story, it will be really, really nice. So please, Shazia ma'am, could your cuties help us to make this sad land, cry land into joy land again? Yes, Shazia ma'am, please.
We can try this.
The king is requesting, please, cuties, please. It's a huge. You see my queen over here? She is sad and she's upset and she hasn't smiled. Please, can you help us? Please, cutie. Can you say a story for the queen and she can start smiling and the darkness goes away?
We can do without a story.
You can do it without a story? Okay. So Shazia ma'am, please help us.
Let's try this. Okay, who can start first for me? Who can tell me a nice story or a joke, anything which makes me laugh?
Me.
Musfira?
Maybe we can have them. Yes, Musfira.
One day there was a mummy.
Wait, Ali, wait. Let Musfira start first, okay? Can we start with Musfira? Okay, slowly everybody's raising their hands. So Khatija, you go first. Yeah, Musfira can go first. Okay.
Now, Alina,
One day was there a mummy. She had two children who were 6 years old. They were twins. And then one time she brought noodles, chips for the kids. For one day they will eat one thing. Then she forgot that she has given for them. She thought that was all for me. When she got home, she looked inside the bag and then she see that there is noodles. So she told that I will eat this all. Then the kids told, and then the mummy cooked the noodles and she eated the chips and cooked the noodles. She was eating, and then the kids told, what? That was our food, not yours. The mom told, what are you telling? I don't understand. then after that, when she was eating chips, the mom told when after a few years the children got grow, and then they got 26 years. Then after that, and then mom tell when then the children were only going to take the vegetables, and then one time one day when the mom told to take some vegetables, go out. No, sorry. When the children grow up, they only go to take their chips, because then the mom when they brought they started to eating, because when they were leaving the chips, the mom will eat it everything. So one day, they were the children were eating noodles. They know how to make noodles. So then one time so he got she told that to get vegetables. Then very closely she picked the noodles and eat it. And then when she was eating, the children came. She told that what is this? What can you do like this? How it is that?
Shazia ma'am, the dog finger has come again, Shazia ma'am. Can we hurry up? Can we have others also talking? Musfira was excellent, Shazia ma'am. But we need all the other Curies to perform as well. Otherwise, the dog finger, we cannot actually conquer him. Is it okay if we move on to the other Curies, please?
Yes, I think so. But I'm feeling much better after Musfira's story. So can we go to Khatija next? Khatija, can we start with you? Maybe I will feel better.
Yes, can you see my queen is sitting up a bit? And the king is really happy and smiling because his queen is sitting up a bit. The queen is feeling better. Yes,
I'm feeling
Khatija?
better. Khatija, you have to unmute yourself, Khatija, and speak.
When my big brother was a baby, he learned how to ride a bike, and after some few days, he wears some girl ponytails.
That's
Oh my
nice.
God! The queen is sitting up a bit more. You know the magic of Curie is working.
Yes, I think so. It's
Who's going
working.
next now?
I think so. Mustafa
Who's going
can
next,
go
Shazia ma'am?
next. Mustafa can go next.
I'm telling her really.
Oh my God.
Tommy's mother had 3 sons. One's name, the smallest name was Bob. The middle one's name was what was it? John. And what do you think the third one's name is?
Let me think. I can't think of anything. Tough riddle. Oh my God.
It's a
Everybody,
very lemon squeeze.
everybody start thinking. You'll have to help Queen Shazia.
Please help me out, Curie. Quickly.
It could be Johnny.
It could be Johnny.
No.
No. Mustafa said no.
I said his name just now.
Let me
In
think.
the first word.
Is it Tommy?
Bob, 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 Bob.
Bob. Yes, I'm enjoying it.
No, it's Tommy.
Yay!
You are correct, Sasha ma'am.
Yes, I was correct. Oh my God.
No, Shazia ma'am, thank you. The king is happy. The king is saying thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. Please speak more so that my queen stands up and starts smiling.
Okay. Can we go to the next one? I'm enjoying it.
Could you just
Yes.
Umayma.
Okay. We'll go to Umayma next. Umayma, start.
Unmute
Shazia
yourself.
ma'am, could you just mute?
Everyone, please mute.
Please mute.
Umayma, can you
Oh my
unmute
God.
yourself?
Yes. Once there was a teacher and there was a student. The teacher asked the student, tell four animals name who live in water. So the student told frog, frog's mother, frog's father, and frog's sister. Done.
Nice
I'm
one.
sure they are definitely golden sparrow students. Okay, the queen is feeling so much better. She's actually standing up. Where is the rest of the group? Come on. Where's Manha, Ali,
Manha is not there. We'll go
Zainab?
to, can we go to
Zainab.
Zainab next?
There was one father and there was one son, okay, of the father. The father told my ma'am first told for 5 plus 3 is 1 plus 4 is 5, and now she's saying 2 plus 3 is 5.
Oh my goodness, Queen Shazia is feeling so much better. And she's actually laughing. Really, Queen Shazia is laughing, right, Queen Shazia?
Yes, I was laughing. I really
Ali is
enjoyed
there.
Zainab.
She is,
Okay.
she is standing up.
Ali.
Ali, can we go next? I want to laugh little more.
Next is Musfira Rizwani.
Is happy. She
Ali,
is standing now. All she's just one story or a poem or a riddle or a song, and I'm sure the queen will start smiling.
Can I have some?
Yes, Omar Jadwait, where are you? Ali, Omar.
Ali is there. Ali is here. Ali, can you start? Can you go next?
I'm here. There's the and I mistakenly slept to a water, and he's telling help, help, help. Then the one bird hear his noise, and he take one leaf and help get one leaf to the water, and the ant only just climb to a I know. Then the
Very good. Ali, go on.
it is not full. One day the hunter is killing the bird. The ant come and bite it, and hunter shoot, but the bird fly off the sky.
Oh,
Very, very good, Ali. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
They friends never go. Please.
Ali,
Can I tell one
no, Zainab.
Yes.
Ali, you completed the
Ali,
story.
your story is
Ma'am.
His story is so nice. Queen Shahjahan is very happy. She's so happy. She started smiling a bit.
Yes,
Right? Queen
I'm
Shahjahan is
feeling
very happy.
very good.
Omar, you would like to go next now and help Queen Shahjahan? See, King Dawood is very happy and he's jumping with happiness because he sees that his queen is getting better now. Yes, Omar?
Yes.
So, Omar, can you tell me some riddle or a story or a joke, please?
Once upon a time, there was a boy. He went to his school and he was studying. So when it was time up, he came to his house. So he told then his mother check his bag, so there was no thing in it. So his mother told the boy, "Where are your things? Your lunch box, your pouch?" So the boy said, "Oh, I forgot, Mom. Sorry that I didn't get it." So the next day he take his school bag and go. So his thing were not there. So he asked his ma'am that, "Ma'am, my the lunch box is, I cannot find my lunch box." So his ma'am said, "Oh, I know where are your things and lunchbox and everything." So when he was in the school bus, yesterday, he took the wrong bag, and there were no name things of his it was not his bag. So then he go to his friend and told, "This is my bag, this is yours bag." So then he came to his house and he told his and he gave the bag to his mom. So the mom checked and she was very happy, but she was a
Yay!
little confused.
Yay!
Done.
Very
Very
good,
nice.
Omar. Shahjahan, I think you need to resume. Okay. You know what? Omar? It was so good. And was that boy by any chance Umar Jadwait and the mother Ghazala Jadwait? Was it?
Yes,
Who forgot his lunchbox? Okay. You know what? The queen has become very strong now and she's standing next to the king and the king has become strong and happy. Okay. Can you all sing a song, all the cuties for the queen
Shabana,
together?
I think so Musfira Rizwani is left. I want to hear
Oh,
her.
Musfira Rizwani is left. Oh, I'm so sorry. Where's Musfira Rizwani? The queen wants to hear Musfira Rizwani as well.
Musfira, can you say something for me?
The queen is still not smiling. Remember, the sun is not yet shining. Come on.
And the 3 kids are 12 years, and the 3 kids tell, "I want to go to see the magic global see."
Musfira, please come close. Musfira, please come close to the screen.
And mom said, "Okay." we can go to Joker. Then he go and he do magics and he turns around then Joker Moody and everybody laugh.
Oh, wow.
Yes, even I laugh. The kid is laughing at also.
Yes,
Okay, do
even
you
I
know
am feeling better and I'm also laughing.
Shazia ma'am, does your cutie know some song they can all sing for the queen?
Yes, I would love to. I would love them to sing a song for me.
Okay, so you know what? King Dawood will sing a song for Queen Shazia and I want all the cutie to join in. Okay?
Yay!
1, 3, start. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the skies are gray. You never know how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Yay! And seeing that the queen is smiling because of cutie, and seeing that the king is happy and everything is becoming normal. You know what is happening? Darkfinger is not liking it, and Darkfinger comes back again. Come on, cutie, fight Darkfinger! Come on, the king is fighting over here. Come on, cutie, kick your screen and box your screen. Yes, yes. Mustafa, excellent, Mustafa. The king is fighting. Woo, Queen Shazia is fighting. Well done. Yeah, Ali, come on, kick him. The way you're doing your exercises, box him. And finally, Darkfinger is destroyed. Yay, everybody. And the queen is happy, the king is happy, and they are running and they're dancing. Yay! So, my dear friends, my cuties, a very, very important lesson we learned today, right? What did we learn? That you are the cutest, the smartest, and sweetest of all. It was you who could make yourself happy and even the queen happy. And that's the gift you all have. And remember, you can make everybody happy. Even you can destroy and you can in fact kill the Darkfinger. So remember, you all are very, very strong, very, very and very, very smart. So do you know what happened? The King Dawood and Queen Shazia become so happy that they decide to name their kingdom. You know what they want to name their kingdom? Let's see. Curie-land! So no more Joyland. What is the name of the kingdom? What is the name of the kingdom? Tell me, everybody. Yay, because the curie was the one. What did the curie do? The curie helped the king and the queen to kill the Darkfinger, and they made the queen happy. So King Dawood over here, thank you, curie. I am always grateful to you for helping me. And the Queen Shazia comes, thank you so much, cutie. You all have been such a great help to me. Bye. Say bye to King Dawood and Queen Shazia. Bye, everybody. Love you. Remember, you all are the smartest and the strongest. Be happy. You all can spread happiness everywhere. Remember, you all are my cuties. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you, Shazia ma'am, for having me.
Thank you. It was a lovely session,
Bye-bye.
Shabana. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
And meet me at 11 o'clock. Bye-bye again.
Bye, Shazia.
It was a wonderful,
Bye,
wonderful
ma'am.
session, Shabana ma'am. Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank you.
And thank you, my cuties, for making
Y'all
me
are the
laugh.
smartest. You knew it was me. I knew. Y'all are the smartest. That's why you knew. Chalo, bye-bye. Bye, King Dawood and Queen Shazia. And be happy in your cutie land.
Bye-bye. I will always be happy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And we'll meet at 11 o'clock, everyone.